Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Tech. While sharing folder or drive from server PC to the client PC, sometimes while mapping and when you open file, then after you may get this error: Windows cannot access server PC from client PC. Do not have permission access server PC. Contact your network administrator to request access. This is a very common issue. We can solve it. I'm going to show here some guidance. To solve this issue, we have to go to your server PC. Suppose create a new folder here. 00 in this one folder. I'm going to share. Go to properties and sharing, share, and here you just click on and just click the share. This is not a completely sharing, right? So again, go to share, and here you have to go choose everyone, and then 8, and here permission level should be written right, and share. Then after, if this problem again occur, then after go to properties again, then after go to sharing, go to advanced sharing, and then here you have to manage the permission, right? Here always should everyone, choose everyone. If there is not everyone, then go to add button, advanced tab, find now, then press E for the everyone. And then after you have to check this full control, change and read for everyone. After try mapping from the client PC, the problem will be solved. If your folder have many files then it may take few minutes to give access for all file and folder, and so you can solve this problem very easily. Friends, if this video really happy to solve problem, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.